नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया।
I, Jayvin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic. Today, I will discuss about the topic. um, uh, Today I will discuss about the topic protocol for conduct of a non-clinical laboratory study. Protocol for conduct of non-clinical study. So this topic belongs to the quality assurance for the B Pharm 6th semester students. Now we come to the need of non-clinical testing. Definition: non-clinical laboratory studies. Non-clinical laboratory studies means study means in vivo, in vitro experiment in which test article are studied prospective in test system to determine their safety. Do not include studies utilizing human subject animal trials. So what is the goals of the non-clinical studies? Characterization of toxic effect with respect to target organs, dose dependency, to estimate an initial safe starting dose and dose range for human trial, to identify parameters for clinical monitoring to characterize potential adverse effect that might occur during clinical trials. According to good laboratory practices and US FDA, the United States Food Drug Administration has rules for GLP in 21 CFR 58. Non-clinical trials use these rules prior to clinical research in humans. Research not conducted under these restriction or research done outside and US and not conducted according to FDA rules might be inadmissible in support of NDA in US. US Food Drug Administration is divided into different subparts: general provision, organization, facility, equipment. जैसा कि हम उसमें जो हमने गुड लेबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिसेस का सेशन किया था, उस सेशन में हमने ये सारी चीजें कवर कर ली थी. So now we come to the applicability to studies to perform under grants and contracts. When a sponsor conducting a non-clinical laboratories study intended to be submitted to a reviewed by a FDA utilizes the services of a consulting laboratories contractor or guaranteed to perform an analysis or other service. It shall notify the consulting laboratory and contractor or guarantee that the service is part of the non-clinical laboratory study that must be conducted in compliance with the provision of this part. Now we come to the inspection of a testing facility. A testing facility shall permit an authorized employee of FDA at reasonable times, at the reasonable manner, to inspect that facility and to inspect all record and specimen required to be maintained regarding studies with the scope of in this part. What is the organization and personnel in the behalf of non-clinical studies? Every individual testing facility should have education, training, experience, and maintained a current summary of the test. Testing facility management. Testing facility management is based on the study director and quality assurance unit. Now we come to the facility. Each testing facility, each non-clinical test laboratory facilities shall be suitable size and construction of facility. The proper conduct of non-clinical laboratory studies, it shall be designed so that there is a degree of separation that will prevent any function or activity from having an adverse effect on the study. And for example, animal care facility, animal supply facility, and facility for handling test and control article and laboratory operation areas and specimen and data storage facility. Now we come to the equipment design. Equipment used in shall be appropriate design and adequate capacity. Maintenance and calibration is very important for the test of equipment. The written standard operating procedure and written records shall be maintained in the form of logbook and non-GLP use. Equipment वेरिफिकेशन एंड स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन कैलिब्रेशन. जो इक्विपमेंट हमारा होता है वो बेस्ड होता है वेरिफिकेशन पे, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन पे, कैलिब्रेशन पे एंड वैलिडेशन पे. वेरिफिकेशन टेक्निक जो होती है वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. चेक बैलेंस एक्यूरेसी अगेंस्ट वेट. And calibration equipment is adjusted based on the comparison to certified to unknown reference material. And standardization comparison with the similar equipment. Subpart E facility testing operating procedure is the ensure the quality and integrity of the data generated in the course of study. Now we come to the non-clinical study, animal care. There should be SOPs for housing, feeding, and handling and caring of animals. Diagnosis, authorization of treatment, description of treatment, each date of treatment shall be documented and retained. Reagents and solutions in laboratory areas shall be labeled in indicate identity for the concentration, storage requirement and expiration date. Test and control article characterization. The identity, strength, purity and composition of other characteristic which can define the test of control articles shall be determined for each batch and documented. Now we come to the subpart G, protocol for an conduct of a non-clinical laboratory study. Protocol. Each study shall have an approved written protocol that clearly indicates the objective and all methods for the conduct of the study. Conduct of a non-clinical laboratory study. The non-clinical laboratory study shall conducted in accordance with the protocol. Reporting of non-clinical laboratory study result. A final report shall be prepared for each non-clinical laboratory study, which include a detailed documentation of how whole study carried out by the testing facility. Storage and record and data. All raw data, documentation protocol, final reports and specimen generated as a result of the study shall be retained and shall be ordered, stored in archives. Now we come to the disqualification on testing facility, ground of disqualification. Disqualification testing, the testing facility failed to comply with one or more of the regulation. Non-compliance adversely affected and validity of non-clinical laboratories. Consequences of non-compliance is also applicable, and upon disqualification is already discussed last topic in good laboratory practices. So this is the complete protocol, complete session designed by the 2.0 version. The session powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you students, and thank you for the listening.